Gotta change my USB hub center console. This side of it doesn't charge. I got it from Amazon, so I had to return it. But here's the new one. This versus that. Voila, all done. These are both lightning adapters. And type C. I guess we're gonna add the type C on later. Let me check to see how we charge. Okay, we got issues because I have Android and there's no lightning when I plug in a type C to type C. Look, it's telling me that the connector is not proper, so that means this might not be ample of the wattage. Okay, this side works. If you use the type A to C, then it charges.